Hello, welcome back to Sean's Eye View. This week we are in Jomtien Beach, which is an area just outside Pattaya, and I'm going to show you some of the places that we like to go, walk around, some of the bars and restaurants, and obviously the beaches. I hope you enjoy. So we're here on the main road, just come over the hill from Pattaya on the BART bus, and that's the end of Walking Street. We'll be visiting the other end a bit later in the video. You can see there's lots of restaurants and bars, very international choice of cuisines in this area. And yeah, I'll go down the main road and towards the beach, which is straight down ahead of us. So first up is Nathan's, which is a very nice French bistro. I've been there for a birthday dinner with some friends. Recommend it. It's on the left as you head towards the beach. I filmed this on early morning New Year's Day, so it's after a heavy night for everybody. It's very quiet. Now this is Tinny's Pies. If you like an Australian or a Kiwi meat pie, this is the place to come. So this is Walking Street the morning after the big party night before. As you can see, there's a lot of confetti still on the street. I'll just take you up and show you a couple of the places we like to go, including this French cafe here on the corner, very good for lunch and breakfast. And then here is the venue, which is a very famous show cabaret bar. Recommended if you want some entertainment when you're in Pattaya area. So as you can see, there's a lot of bars in this street, and we recommend At Home, this one here, which is the second one on the left up the street. Good staff, good prices, nice atmosphere. Back on the road is the entrance to Hemingway's, which is a good place for Sunday roast, steak, and other Western food. You get the idea. And just a few steps down, you're on the beach. So this is Jomtien Beach. It's a very, very long beach. There are lots of different sub-beaches. I'm going to take you first of all to the right, facing the sea, and we go along to the end of the peninsula. So this area is Dongtan Beach, and there are a string of hotels and guest houses which I'm going to take you past just now. First up is BB House Hotel, which is exceptionally good value, right on the beach with a restaurant next door. So let's head inside and have a look at their pool villas, which you can book for under 1,000 baht if you're lucky. You can see nice pool with little cabins around the pool area. And this is Sandbar, which is all-day dining, both Thai and Western food. And on Friday night has Salsa Night, which was very popular last time I was in town. So all along the beach are these different private enterprise beach bars where you basically rent a chair and pay for drinks and food during the day. You don't have to, but it's too hot to sit directly in the sun. And here's the Welcome World Resort. And next door is the Avalon. I've stayed here a couple of times. Again, very good value. Generally look for a deal on agoda.com. Nice pool area, but quite popular. So let's head further up the beach past some expensive new property developments. And the beach continues just as you would expect in Thailand, with more deck chairs and sunshades. And yes, this development, not built yet, is priced at 385 million baht, so that's just over 10 million US dollars. And right next door to the Millionaire Mansion is the White House, one of the cheapest guest houses on the beach. And here's the famous Rainbow Beach with free Wi-Fi. Next up is the Rabbit Resort, which also has a very good coffee shop and restaurants open. I've had breakfast in here a couple of times. Nice, quiet place. Now, as you walk towards the lifeguard station, here is Pattaya Water Park, somewhere I don't think I'll be spending any time, and I certainly won't be getting that cable car from the tower down. You'll see. Walking further along, we come to the Heritage Pattaya Beach Resort, another beachfront resort around a pool. And there on the horizon you can see Koh Larn, the island that you can visit by speedboat or ferry from Pattaya, and stay overnight. So you can see it was the morning after New Year's Eve. People are preparing, cleaning up and getting ready for another busy weekend on the beach. But for me, it was time for a coffee, not from 7, but from the mini 7 next door to 7. Yes, perfect. So here we are at the end of the road, the Jomtien Heads viewpoint. It was nice to sit, relax, and enjoy the calm sea. This is Casa Mica. It's great to see this business expand over the past few years. It's a coffee shop, they're building a restaurant and a bar, and they're building hotel rooms as well. So this is where I walked back and sat down for a nice breakfast. So I continue past the busy junction and head on the other way along Jomtien Beach. I'm going to take you as far as a restaurant I really recommend coming up in a few minutes. So here comes a BART bus. Yes, it's basically a pickup truck that you climb in the back of, and it's a set fare of 10 baht within one district, or 20 if you're going further all the way to Pattaya. And here's a restaurant I recommend, La Roma. It's great for breakfast, brunch, has a good wine list, and both inside and outside. It was, however, closed on New Year's Day because they had a big party the night before. So I couldn't show you much more, but I recommend if you are going to be visiting Jomtien. So thank you. I hope you've enjoyed my tour of Jomtien and inspire you to travel and visit more parts of Thailand. Please do like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll be back next week with another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.